Hi guys, another day in the water. We've definitely taken advantage of a few days off. The girls haven't been working. I mean, like they took a couple of days off so we could go away for the 4th of July. I took a couple of days off too. So we're back in Orlando. We decided like last minute, just like, hey, let's take the jet skis and the boat in the water. It's been a minute that we don't take out the jet skis out and the kids have been dying to use them. So the green one's not working. We need to do a couple of adjustments and things like that because something happened last time we put it in the water. But the red one is working and we're gonna go ride it. Make sure everything's working well and have a good time. It's like late in the afternoon. What time is it, guys? Like maybe 4 o'clock? So it took a while because traffic here in Lake Nona area, it's terrible, but Emily, say hi. So we're ready. We're gonna get the baby, we're gonna get Adelis, and then Bevin and Emily are gonna go on the jet ski, and let's see. I really don't like lakes. They're dark and weird and nasty, and there could be crocodiles, and I don't like them, but whatever, it is what it is. Like, all the beaches are just so far out right now, like for being late in the day. So we decided just to come in one of these lakes and see how it goes. So I'm walking over this mini kitty life jacket. For who?
My first jacket I've owned and it still fits me 10 years. Bro, watch.
It's like forever small.
It's like a glove. Like it lifts up like nothing.
There you go.